Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mubbashir Bashir, and all you are welcome in the world of English literature. Hello, guys. Today we are going to talk about literature. Is literature full of negativity? Is literature full of optimism? Is literature full of positivity? Is literature is spreading disease and the younger stars mind? Is literature is impacting a good level of understanding? Is literature is spreading moral values or not? What's the main point by me? That is literature and approach. Is literature is negative or positive? Keep in mind what's your idea about literature. If you have your own idea, please go in the comment section and type your idea. Literature is positive or negative? Literature is ethical or unethical? Literature gives lesson or bad values? Please go in the comment section. Let's clear that. What's mean by literature? Literature is a society. Literature is a community. Literature is a behavior. Literature is that whatever is being done and whatever have been done, that's called literature. Let's talk about literature approach. Keep in mind, literature is never negative. Literature never give unethical values. Values are ever ethical in literature. If you are reading any sort of book that is totally based on negative lessons, but consequences would be positive, keep in mind. If you are reading between the line, there is a condition. If you are reading between the line, then keep in mind the consequences would be positive. Your approach would be positive. Kindly, whenever you are reading or writing anything related to literature, one thing always should be the part of your mind, that on during the time when you are writing or reading, that your approach should be positive. Your idea, your proof, your angle, your dimension of thought, your medium of thinking should be positive, should be optimistic, never be negative. Optimistic. And the third thing and the last thing, that is always choose the right track. Always choose the right track. And when the right track is possible, when your thinking are positive, positive. What's E.M. Forrester said about literature? Every story has a lesson. Every story is a lesson. Every good story is a lesson. Let me write. Every good story is a lesson. But every bad story has a lesson. Focus on the statement, these two statements. Focus on these two statements and have the concentration on these two words, good and bad. These are antonym, good and bad. This is also quality, this is also quality. But He's saying every good story is a lesson, but every bad story has a lesson. Every bad story has a lesson. What sort of lesson? That is positive lesson. That is positive consequences. That is optimistic consequences, optimistic output. That's called literature. Keep in mind, literature is not unethical or without any values. Literature will let you know how to live and how to deal, how to face, and how to fight. That's all. Thank you so much. And if you have liked my video, please and kindly go and visit my channel, subscribe my channel, like and share, and have a little click on bell icon. Thank you so much. That's all.